Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Fix It Felix. Today we're working on a 2014 Dodge Avenger. I'm going to show you how to replace the rear brake pads. So this is the part number just in case you need it. So first things first, we're going to put the jack on. Put also jack stands for safety, safety first, and then remove this tire. I'm going to show you what's next. Alright guys, so once the tire is removed, I suggest you put the tire underneath the car for safety reasons. Again, what we're going to do is going to remove this nut right here and this one. What you can do, you just have to loosen it up a little bit, the one on top. In the rear and the bottom one, you can just take it off. I'll show you why in a second. So just loosen it up. Using a 14mm wrench or ratchet. So in this case, I'm going to be using a wrench. So just put it here, and if it's strong enough, like you can use a rubber mallet. So you can like put it here and then hit it with the rubber mallet. Now I only have two hands, so I can't record and do it. So just try it and it should work. So I'm going to show you what's next. Okay, I got my friend to record for me. So I'm going to show you, as in this one is stuck there pretty good. So you put the 14mm ratchet or wrench and then use the rubber mallet. There. Now it's loose. And you can do the same one for the bottom. Oops. Okay, I already removed the one on the bottom, and I'm only loosening up this one a little bit. What you can do now is just pull this back. Whoops. And now you can just remove the brake pads from here. Sometimes it's going to be stuck here, but you can just remove it. You can remove it using a flathead screwdriver. Alright, so using the flathead screwdriver, you can just push this here, like, wiggle it, there, it comes out. And the one in the back is right here. And you can also use the flathead screwdriver, same thing, just to push it out. As you can see, the brake pads are not that bad, but we bought the whole kit to replace the one in the front and the one in the back. I'm going to leave a link down below where you can watch the other video showing you how to replace the ones in the front. And I'm also going to put a link down below where you can buy the brake pads. Now once you get here, you can use a C-clamp, because you're going to have to put this cylinder all the way back so you can put the new brake pads. So if you don't have a C-clamp, which is like this one, I mean, you can buy it at Walmart, they're pretty cheap. What you can do is just go like this all the way, and you can push the cylinder all the way in the back. If you don't have one of these, you can still use the rubber mallet or like a hammer or something pretty strong and try to push it by hand. Sometimes, there you go. I don't know if you can see how it went inside. There. Okay, so you can see I pushed it with this rubber mallet. You can use a hammer or anything. As you can see, I pushed it all the way in. So now what you have to do now is put the new brake pads in. This one goes is like this. So you just like push it in. There. And then just get the one in the back like this. And then you can just lower this down and you can put the screw back here. Alright guys, so that's how to replace the rear brake pads on a 2014 Dodge Avenger. Like I said, I'm gonna put the link down below if you need a video showing you how to replace the one in the front. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. As always, peace. Oh, don't forget to put the tire and put everything back like it was. Bye.